welcome to this very special broadcast of the News Hour Agenda, viewers, with 5 phases of the Lok Sabha election polling being completed, and now the stage is set for the penultimate round. In fact, we're in Delhi, which sends 7 members to the Lok Sabha, and will be voting in the 6th phase. And today, we are bringing you a special broadcast from Delhi's Vijay Chowk, the power citadel of India, where the battle for Delhi has captured the national attention. The BJP swept the elections in 2019, winning all 7 seats to dent BJP's chances this time. AAP and Congress are fighting the polls in alliance in Delhi, with AAP contesting 4 seats and Congress 3. Now, in the lead up to this mega contest, a flurry of developments have been taking place, which makes the Delhi battle even more interesting. Arvind Kejriwal was arrested and jailed in the Liquorgate case, but he was also granted interim relief by the Supreme Court, and he's out campaigning. He was released for 21 days to participate in the elections. The decision by the top court came as a boost to Aam Aadmi Party, and Kejriwal hit the ground running, holding multiple rallies in Delhi and in Punjab. But just as the Aam Aadmi Party hoped to find its momentum back, the party found itself caught in the Maliwal saga. The party first admitted to misbehavior by Kejriwal's PA, and later, in a dramatic U-turn, dubbed the entire episode a BJP scripted plot. Aam Aadmi Party later floated another theory and cited ACB case against Maliwal to claim that she was being used by BJP in its conspiracy against Aam Aadmi Party.
एक बहुत ही निंदनीय घटना घटित हुई। अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के आवास पर स्वाति मालीवाल जी मिलने के लिए पहुंची थी, ड्राइंग रूम में इंतजार कर रही थी। इस बीच विभव कुमार जी वहां पे आते हैं और उन्होंने स्वाति मालीवाल जी के साथ बहुत बदतमीजी की, अभद्रता की।
भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने एक साजिश रची, एक षड्यंत्र रचा, और उस षड्यंत्र के तहत स्वाति मालीवाल जी को दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के घर 13 मई को सुबह सुबह भेजा गया। स्वाति मालीवाल जी इस षड्यंत्र का चेहरा थी। स्वाति मालीवाल जी पर एंटी करप्शन ब्यूरो का एक रिक्रूटमेंट स्कैम का केस चल रहा है। अब ये मामला खत्म होने के करीब आ रहा है, तो इसलिए ऐसा लगता है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी का ये जो फॉर्मूला है कि अलग अलग नेताओं पे केस करना, उसी फॉर्मूले को स्वाति मालीवाल जी पर इस्तेमाल किया गया होगा। हमें ये विश्वसनीय सूत्रों से पता चला है कि पिछले कुछ महीनों से वो लगातार भारतीय जनता पार्टी के नेताओं से संपर्क में हैं। तो दिल्ली पुलिस इस बात की जांच करे कि ये कैसा षड्यंत्र है।
Viewers, Times Now's Operation Black Dollar has also haunted Aam Aadmi Party. The ED has told the MHA that AAP has got foreign funds worth 7.8 crore rupees between 2014 and 2022. The party violated FCRA norms to get these foreign funds. These foreign funds allegedly came in from donors in Canada, USA, Australia, New Zealand, Saudi, Kuwait, Oman. ED has also conveyed to the MHA that Aam Aadmi Party has concealed the identity of these foreign donors to escape scrutiny by Indian investigators. Foreign donors directly deposited money in Aam Aadmi Party's bank accounts. What's even more shocking is that ED has found a mail trail that reveals how Aam Aadmi Party's Durgesh Pathak allegedly siphoned off foreign funds to his personal benefits.
There are more skeletons tumbling out of the cupboards in Arvind Kejriwal's Sheesh Mahal. Times now has access to documents that reveal that Aam Aadmi Party received 7.08 crore worth of foreign funding between 2014 and 2022. And as per the ED letter that has been written to the Home Ministry, these transactions are in violation of Indian laws.
Well, Operation Black Dollar has big 5 highlights that I would like to first read out. That is, Aam Aadmi Party received foreign funds of rupees 7.8 crores during 2014 to 2022. Number 2, Canada, from where they received the funds, but the countries like Australia, USA, New Zealand, Saudi Arabia, UAE, Kuwait, Oman, and so on. The list goes on and on and on. Then number 3, the real identity of foreign donors has been concealed by Aam Aadmi Party in their books. Number 4, foreign donations directly deposited to Aam Aadmi Party's bank account. And number 5, same passport, same credit card, same email IDs used by different donors to transfer the funds to Aam Aadmi Party. And last, receiving foreign fundings by political parties is certainly strictly prohibited under the FCRA and RPA Act. So yes, these are all the violations that Aam Aadmi Party kept on doing in between 2014 to 2022. And the documents that we have accessed, it clearly shows the timeline so as to how these violations unfolded, how they started from the year 2014. But yes, these are the timelines that we have. And I would also like to read out that how many multiple donors use the same passport. So the data that we have over here, it shows 155 persons residing abroad have made total donation of rupees approximately 1 crore on 404 occasions using 55 passports. That means 155 people have used 55 passport numbers.
What this means is that Aam Aadmi Party received funds from multiple donors in the US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Saudi Arabia, UAE, Kuwait, Oman and other countries. However, the real identity of these foreign donors has been concealed by the Aam Aadmi Party. Why, you wonder? Because this is how they allegedly attempted to circumvent the restrictions on foreign donations to political parties. The ED in its investigation has come out not only with several instances of irregularities in collecting foreign funds by Aam Aadmi Party and its leaders, but has also accused some of them, including Aam Aadmi Party MLA Durgesh Pathak, of siphoning off the funds for personal benefits. These documents raise several questions, and to get Aam Aadmi Party's version, Times Now team reached the party headquarters. But what happened next is most appalling.
Operation Black Dollar Times Now reports assault to the police.
हेलो, मैं
आकांक्षा बोल रही हूँ। मैं आम आदमी पार्टी हेडक्वार्टर के सामने से बोल रही हूँ। यहाँ पे मेरे साथ बदतमीजी की गई है और मेरे कैमरा पर्सन के साथ भी बदतमीजी की गई है आम आदमी पार्टी वर्कर्स के द्वारा।
Delhi police visits our office. Arrest assaulter Vikas Yogi. Times Now. Your voice that can't be suppressed.
You're watching the News Hour at 10, debate number 1 on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
And for more on this, let's go right across to our guest. Joining us with us is RP Singh, National Spokesperson of the BJP. With us also is Ishkaran Bhandari, Advocate of the Supreme Court. Karan Verma, author, is with us. We have with us Huda Zariwala, political analyst. Advocate Kapil Madan, political analyst, is with us. Also with us is Zishan Haider, political analyst. Tariq Khan is National Spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party. Let me start first and foremost with Zishan Haider. Zishan Haider, अब इस तरह के जब आरोप आते हैं, ईडी कह रही है कि फॉरेन फंडिंग में आपने पीएमएलए ही नहीं, एफसीआरए का वायलेशन किया है, रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ पीपल एक्ट का वायलेशन किया है, आईपीसी की धाराएं भी इसमें इन्वोक हो सकती है और एमएचए को एक चिट्ठी लिखी है। उसकी जब हम रिपोर्ट लेने के लिए और दुर्गेश पाठक के खिलाफ जो इल्जाम लगे हैं उन पे क्लैरिफिकेशन लेने के लिए तब जब जाते हैं तो टाइम्स नाउ की क्रू की पिटाई होती है। आप मानते हैं सही है?
पिटाई तो देखिए माधव जी किसी की भी है वो बड़ी मतलब दुखदाई बात है और ये बड़ी ही मतलब इसकी भर्त्सना करनी चाहिए, निंदा करनी चाहिए और मैं करता हूँ। कोई भी हो, चाहे वो स्वाति मालीवाल जी के साथ बदतमीजी हो, अगर ये हुआ है तो इसकी निंदा हम
अगर ये हुआ है सर, फुटेज है
जी।
आपने टाइम्स नाउ देखा है कि नहीं देखा पता नहीं, लेकिन फुटेज है और हमारी रिपोर्टर यहाँ सामने बैठी है।
फुटेज है लेकिन फुटेज में कहीं भी मतलब मारपीट नजर नहीं आ रही है उसमें जो स्वाति मालीवाल केस में है।
3 लोगों ने पकड़ के रखा कैमरामैन को, उसका फुटेज है हमारे पास। एनीवे, आपको मारपीट की फुटेज चाहिए। एनीवे
चलिए, उसके अलावा सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि देखिए मैं आज इस नए संसद भवन के सामने मौजूद हूं और एक बड़ा ही सौभाग्य है हम सब लोगों का कि यहां हम खड़े होकर जो बात कर रहे हैं उसमें मैं ये देख रहा हूं कि सिर्फ और सिर्फ मोदी जी और बीजेपी आम आदमी पार्टी को टारगेट करती जा रही थी। ये कुछ फुटबॉल खिलाड़ी की तरह हो गया है कि किसी एक को पूरी टीम ने घेरा और गोल कोई और मार के चला गया। यानी इंडिया गठबंधन के और जो नेता हैं जिसमें कांग्रेस एक बड़ा फैक्टर है, उसने गोल मार दिए हैं और मोदी जी चुनाव हार चुके हैं। ये बात मेरी आप नोट कर लीजिए। 4 जून को इस फुटेज को फिर से चलाकर देख लीजिए।
कांग्रेस तो आपको इनवाइट नहीं कर रही। जो पिछले सैटरडे के राहुल गांधी के फंक्शन में केजरीवाल जी को बुलाया क्यों नहीं उन्होंने?
जी, ये मैं यही तो कह रहा हूँ कि आपको
कांग्रेस से सवाल
एक तरफ सारा ध्यान लगा दिया है मोदी जी ने कि बस केजरीवाल, जिनके पास कोई सांसद भी नहीं है, हालांकि मैं आपको बताऊं उसके बावजूद आपकी बात का जवाब कि ईडी क्या क्या आरोप लगा रही है। 2 साल से ईडी का काम ही यही हो गया है कि बस आरोप लगाते रहो, साबित कुछ मत कर पाओ। आप लोग जानते हैं ना 2 साल से नहीं कर पा रहे।
आरपी सिंह, कुछ भी नहीं, यूजिंग ईडी एज अ पॉलिटिकल टूल एंड दिस इज हैपनिंग एज द इलेक्शन डेट ड्रॉज क्लोजर। प्लीज रिस्पॉन्ड टू व्हाट ही सेड।
एक नाम है, उसका नाम है गुरुपतवंत सिंह पन्नू। गुरुपतवंत सिंह पन्नू कम on a record and says ki they have funded huge amount to Aam Aadmi Party. It doesn't end there. I can appreciate Gurpatwant Singh Pannu is a Khalistan. There could be reason for him to implicate Aam Aadmi Party. I can leave that for a second. There's another gentleman name. His name is Sanjwan, Kultar Singh Sanjwan. वो पंजाब की असेंबली के स्पीकर हैं। वो पिछले साल कनाडा जाते हैं और किसके यहाँ जाकर भोजन करते हैं, किसके साथ जाकर फोटो खिंचवाते हैं और उसको सोशल मीडिया डालते हैं। उसका नाम है हरजीत सिंह बाजवा खालिस्तानी। हरजीत सिंह बाजवा खालिस्तानी ओपनली। अच्छा, अभी राघव चड्डा जी आंखें ठीक होगी, प्रभु ने अच्छी कृपा करके आंखें ठीक होगी, वापस आ गए हैं। आप कृपा कर सोशल मीडिया देख लीजिए। सोशल मीडिया पे सिर्फ एक फोटो है उनके यहाँ, एक फोटो, जब यूके में थे। प्रीति कौर गिल कौन है? जो ओपनली खालिस्तान को फंड करती है, सपोर्ट करती है, उनके साथ खड़ी दिखती है।
तो आप कह रहे हो कि ये जो सारी फॉरेन फंडिंग आई है खालिस्तानी सपोर्ट,
ये सबके सब खालिस्तानी
आरोप लगा रहे हैं।
हाँ बिल्कुल, मैं कह रहा हूँ खालिस्तानी सिंपैथाइजर्स हैं ये सबके सब वो लोग हैं, तभी तो इनके ट्रिप रूटिंग। अरे सुन लीजिए ना, वो पैसा ट्रिप रूट करने की क्या जरूरत पड़ी? वो पैसा घुमाकर आपने 75 लोगों के पैसे 15 क्रेडिट कार्ड के थ्रू को ट्रिप रूट कराए। कोई ऐसा विदेश में ऐसा नहीं जिसका क्रेडिट कार्ड ना हो। तो बड़ा क्लियर है ये सबका, और ये वापस पे बैक भी करते हैं। ये जो
व्हाट इज द प्रूफ सर? व्हाट इज द प्रूफ?
I told you the proof.
These are persons. Are these the donors?
No. Preet Kaur Gill. Who is Preet Kaur Gill? Please check her account, social account, social media account. She has been an openly supporter of Khalistan.
Okay.
She has been funding Khalistan.
Okay. Okay, the enforcement directorate has said, Zishan Haider, that the identities of the donors have been hidden. क्या इस वजह से identity hide की करके donors की, जो आरपी सिंह जी कह रहे हैं?
कोर्ट में कुछ तो साबित कीजिए जाकर, 2 साल हो गए, आप कुछ साबित ही नहीं कर पाते हैं। खासतौर से मैं सिंह साहब से कहूंगा कि बीफ कंपनी से चंदा ले रहे हैं, कोई पूछने वाला नहीं है। कोविशील्ड जिन्होंने वैक्सीन बनाई, पूरे देश के साथ खिलवाड़ हुआ, उनसे चंदा ले लिया आपने। अप्रूवर जो है कोलगेट लिकर गेट का, उससे आपने चंदा ले लिया। सवाल तो करिए सिंह साहब, मेरा आपसे सवाल है कि पूछिए तो कि ये चंदा खुलेआम, अगर माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट ये नहीं कहता तो एसबीआई कहता हम जून के बाद बता देंगे, लेकिन एसबीआई ने कहा नहीं, अभी लाके सामने आंकड़े करो। ये चंदा दो, धंधा दो, वसूली गैंग, इन सब पर के बारे में क्या कहना सर आपका?
सर, जो मैंने पूछा, जो साक्ष्य दे रहा हूं उसके बारे में बात नहीं करें ना आप। 1 मिनट के बाद आपने बोला, ठोका नहीं मैंने आपको। वो साक्ष्यों के बारे में बात नहीं करें ना आप। कृपा कर मैं जितने लोग यहाँ बैठे हैं, प्रीत कौर गिल का सोशल मीडिया अकाउंट देख लीजिए, चेक कर लीजिए। मैं आपके व्यूअर्स कहूंगा, समझ लगेगा प्रीत कौर गिल कौन है जी। उसके साथ जाकर फोटो खिंचवाने का मतलब कि ये पे बैक टाइम में हमें चंदा दो चुनाव के लिए, और हम आपके साथ फोटो खिंचवाएंगे, हम मैसेज देंगे पूरे सिस्टम में कि हम आपके साथ खड़े हैं। हरजीत सिंह बाजवा ओपनली नॉन खालिस्तानी, मतलब वो खालिस्तान के नारे लगाते हैं, वहां पे कैंपेनिंग करते हैं, उसके साथ जाकर लंच करते हैं, उससे
any response to this specific point he's making that the funding is coming from Khalistani elements? It's a very pointed question. Do you have a specific response to that?
Well, good evening. First of all, thank you so much for having me on your show, Madhavji. The place that we are all standing right now, the new Central Vista project, that itself has a corpus of 20,000 crore. This was built during the time of COVID, when the entire country was battling with COVID. PM fund case, the corpus was how much? 10,000 crores. Sir, allow me to speak. Sir, please don't heckle.
But you're not responding to the pointed question. Respond to the point. You can make these points, but please respond to the specific. He's asked the same question twice, and neither of you have been able to respond.
I'm coming to the point. So, Aam Aadmi Party is a party that believes do not do corruption. You know, this is a party wherein your ED, sir, who is acting at the behest of the BJP, has not been able to prove 1 rupee worth of corruption. Money charged, the proceeds of crime. Sir, proceeds of crime established
One by one.
1 रुपया का money trail establish नहीं कर पाई आपकी ED. Sir, हुजूर, 1 रुपये का money trail.
अभी सुनिएगा, अभी देता हूँ.
सर, आपकी नजर एक शेर है, अगर आप इजाजत दें, अगर आप इजाजत दें. इधर उधर की बात ना कर, तू बता काफला क्यों लुटा? सर, काफला क्यों लुटा? आपकी ईडी, आपकी सीबीआई, आपकी इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट, कोई भी 1 रुपये का मनी ट्रेल.
एक नाम है राजेंद्र सिंह सोलंकी, नाम दे रहा हूँ, बारदोई से, गुजरात से इलेक्शन लड़ रहे थे. 20 लाख रुपए नकदी पकड़ा गया. उनका साथ उनका ड्राइवर था. कल मेरा पैसा नहीं है, ये ड्राइवर आंगड़ी मतलब हवाला रैकेट करता है, ये दिल्ली से पैसे लेकर आता है, यहाँ पर गुजरात में जो कैंडिडेट उनको पैसा बांटता है. ये कंप्लेंट पुलिस में कंप्लेंट है, कृपा करके गूगल मारिए, चेक करिए, उस खिलाफ पुलिस कंप्लेंट है.
मोदी सरकार 713 करोड़ से वो सिर्फ अपने एडवर्टाइजिंग पे.
One second. Who does it? 1 minute, please. It's a pointed charge that ED has not been able to prove the money trail, is what AAP has repeatedly said. Please respond to the point that they've made.
Madhav, let me answer the specific charge. While it is good to do shero shairi, or it is good to have humor that AAP has done no corruption, it will not take away the legal liability. How do you prove that ED has failed? You would prove if the FIR gets quashed by the court, or it gets stayed by the court, or the charge sheet gets quashed or stayed by the court. What has happened? Don't interrupt me, ma'am. I didn't interrupt you. What has happened in this case is Mr. Manish Sisodia, he went all the way till Supreme Court, did not get bail, and the Supreme Court in the order recorded 338 crores. So there is a clear finding against him, and he did not get bail. That is on the excise scam. Now let us come on the foreign funding, because they are trying to. 1 second, please let me finish. Have some patience. I heard you out. Now let's come to the foreign funding scam. Please understand, I cannot list out the promises Aam Aadmi Party has broken, but one of the promises, along with not taking a house, Lal Batti culture, Parivarvad, putting the corrupt in jail, was transparent donor list. They removed their donor list in 2016. None less than Anna Hazare objected. They brought it back, and then they again removed it in 2018 and said, we will not bring this list back. So first be very clear on that. Now, stop heckling, please. Then let's come to what happened. When the income tax sent them a notice, On their donor list, they came out and said it's an inadvertent error. They themselves agreed the list is not correct. Now what has happened in this case is every individual sitting here knows KYC. Even if you go to a bank, you have to give your phone number, you have to give your Aadhaar card, you have to give your documents. Here the allegation is money has come in on one passport, one mobile number, one email ID, multiple IDs have been done. So please don't talk about timing, because timing is since 2016. Please answer, was unique ID being used for multiple entries, which is banned as per law, or was it not? That's a simple question to answer.
Please answer. Explain these multiple entries. How is it possible, Huda Zariwala, that the same passport 40 people apply, the same email ID 22 people apply, the same credit card is used by 8 people? Isn't that clearly raising suspicions of some kind of hiding of who the donors are?
So basically, this is not a new development. This is a case that has been ongoing for some time. This is not even a case, it's a non-issue to begin with. The list produced by Aam Aadmi Party to, the funding that came, every single rupee is in place, every single amount of money that was used for the election
They are saying
is
some of the
right
donors have
out
not
there.
been declared to the authorities. The donors whose names were been hidden. In a Canada
Electoral-
fundraiser, for instance, there were some donors whose names were written on a piece
When
of
we
paper
talk-
and those details were not shared officially. That's a big charge.
Electoral bonds की तो list SBI release ही नहीं करना चाह रही थी. I mean, Supreme Court had to
Ma'am,
step
two
in to
wrongs
do
don't make a
that.
right. You can question them, but please answer these questions. There are some
Honest-
very serious violations on the face of it.
Okay, Aam Aadmi Party is not liable for a list that has been produced. There is no fact check to the list. Once the facts are stated for a point.
If the donors are to your party, how are you not liable?
Aam Aadmi Party has been a party that has been adhering only to honest politics, only to Janta development, only, you see the Delhi development model, you see the Punjab development model. We do not talk about corruption. ये corruption के खेल आप लोग corruption सर आप लोग करते हैं.
Okay, Ishkaran,
एक रुपया साबित नहीं कर पाते.
1 minute, madam. Ishkaran.
Firstly, for the nth time, एक रुपया साबित नहीं कर पाते is not correct. You can see Satinder Jain, one Satinder Jain in a separate case. This is important to know. One second, please let me finish.
You asked a question.
Well, let me finish. Satinder Jain in a separate case, none less than the Supreme Court finds he should stay in jail for more than 1 year now because the evidence is that strong. Mr. Sisodia, Supreme Court refusal of bail. I'm not talking about trial court refusal, first 10 days. Then you come to Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. It is also ongoing, only an interim bail given. So there are multiple cases against different ministers. Half your cabinet is in jail,
Sir,
and you say nothing
we
is proved. One second. There are multiple stages in our if you believe in democracy, if you're not an anarchist.
Ajit Pawar,
one is,
Naveen
one second,
Jindal,
can I
Praful
finish?
Patel. Can we talk about
Why
the
are you
corruption in your
heckling?
party?
Madam, I didn't interrupt you even once. Please understand, in our law process, if an FIR is registered, your first stage comes, then summons is issued. You can get relief from court on summons. No relief.
कितने summons
You can get
Naveen
relief
Jindal को
against.
पहुंचे?
You can get relief
Praful
against
Patel,
FIR.
Ajit
Now I will
Pawar.
just ignore
I
you
have a
because you're
list,
heckling.
sir.
So
Because you're heckling,
please,
so I will
have
just
to ask
ignore
you
you
to be
now.
quiet
There is no
because
point
you're
in this.
interrupting the
There
debate
is no
format.
point
There are
in
people who
this.
have not even
Yeah.
spoken.
So at this stage, because all Aam Aadmi Party keeps coming out and saying nothing is proved against us, please understand, we are just 2 years into investigation and no court has given you relief on any stage applicable right now, be it summons or staying of FIR or staying of charge sheet. So as of now, every court is going against you, including the Supreme Court. At least admit that fact.
I want Ishkaran to, in fact, Kapil to respond to that. Kapil, please respond to the pointed.
Madhav, can I give the bank account number if you want?
One by one, I'll come to you, sir.
You know,
There are others who have not
important-
spoken. Please be a little bit.
Madhav Ishkaran has raised some important legal issues, and let me just highlight once. Ishkaran has very conveniently said that investigation has happened just for 2 years. So let me just remind, what the CRPC says. CRPC says for particular offences, investigation should be completed in 60 days. And for little heinous offences, investigation should be completed in 90 days. And to say here, just 2 years into investigation, how much more time they want to take? Do they want to investigate the case for 10 long years? And after 10 years, they don't have a conclusion like what they did with National Herald? National Herald controversy was raked up in 2014. Since then, ED is active. And we are in 2024. 2024. Okay, Singh Saab, thanks for correcting me. 2013. So 11 years has elapsed. Thank you for exposing your own government, sir.
No.
11 years.
No, it's
11
your
years.
government, sir.
No
It was
charge
UPA
sheet.
government. It was UPA government.
11 year, no charge sheet till now. So what does that show? What does that show?
Okay.
So what Ishkaran is saying, 2 years, when he says 2 years, he has a backdrop in mind that for 10 years, the other case is being investigated. So they have 8 more years to throw, this kind of, false narrative to suit their political
I want you to respond to that.
Very short answer to this point is, Kapil knows more law, but when he wears his political hat, he has to obviously disabuse the law. 60 days, 90 days is what you should file a charge sheet, otherwise you get a compulsory bail. There is always provision in law to file supplementary charge sheet, to do investigations in complex cases involving foreign jurisdictions. Otherwise, just for people to understand, not to get too technical, if the investigation was not in the proper time or the proper format, they would have gotten stays from the court. So I don't want to make it too technical, no. Now let's come to National Herald. That is a trial going on in the court. In the court, unfortunately in India, sometimes time is taken, and very often by accused who have powerful lawyers who go challenging every order right up till the Supreme Court. They may not get relief, but they keep challenging it. So something which is pending in court, to talk about timelines there, I don't think so is fair to the investigative agencies, at least with respect to National Herald. With respect to the excise scam or with respect to Satinder Jain scam, I've forgotten, there are so many scams. All those scams, they are in jail, and the courts are upholding the investigation as of now. When the trial will finish, we'll discuss what the verdict is also.
Kapil.
Now, let me give you, since he wanted to talk about the excise case and the National Herald case both, I would say with responsibility that in the National Herald case, there is no PMLA complaint. Ishkaran is a good lawyer. He's a very senior lawyer. I invite him to fact check me on this. I am saying this with responsibility that there is no PMLA complaint in National Herald. That's point number one. So that's point number one. Thanks for admitting. Thanks for admitting. Point number two.
What is factual?
Point number two.
One second.
Point number
One
two.
second. Let me answer this.
I never interrupt.
Let me answer.
Point number two.
Because you do fact check to me. You ask me for a fact check. Let me do a fact check. Is PMLA the only offence in the country if they are facing charges under section 420, 406? Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, no less. That is not a crime. Only crime in country is PMLA.
Thanks for admitting that ED case is being used only as a political tool for 10 long years. You've been using this as a political tool to propagate a false narrative. That's point number one. Let me now come to the excise. No, let me come to the excise act. Let me come to the excise act. I have a very precise question. I have a very precise question for Ishkaran.
The audience understands there are multiplicity of criminal laws in this country, and you are in violation of 464020 of the IPC, which is ongoing. Other investigations are also pending, including a defamation conviction. So there are multiple proceedings pending against the Congress leadership. I don't see what is the great point you're trying to say, that one investigation is in court, one is with the investigative agency, in one the court has held us guilty. What do you achieve by that? I don't understand. The lump sum is Congress as well as AAP is facing serious investigation and also court proceedings.
Okay. Let me. I'll come to you. Let me just bring in. In fact, Samajwadi Party spokesperson. In fact, Tariq Khan. Question that is being asked is this: at this point of time, you have both the sides leveling charges against each other. But it is a fact. Aam Aadmi Party did get relief from the Supreme Court, but it has been setback after setback. Last week it was Swati Maliwal case. Now there are serious charges of the questions about the foreign funding that is coming to the fore. It's one thing to say that these are political charges, but these are very, very serious charges. At the end of the day, if there's violation of FCRA, if there's violation of PMLA, if there's violation of Representation of People Act, these are very important questions that AAP has to answer.
Listen, there has been a few of the allegations on BJP. One of the allegation from a businessman of Canada, his name is Jagmandeep Singh, and he released the video that the minister's son, Tomar's son, was involved not in 1,000, 2,000, 10,000 crores of money laundering case. Now, I just have a question over here, that please tell me 0.1% steps of ED, what ED or BJP has taken against Tomar in that case. What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? Means you'll hide someone who will from BJP. And if someone from opposition or India Alliance, you'll expose them. Now, what action ED or BJP, I'm asking both of them, have taken against Tomar? Nothing, zero. Not a single step by ED taken in an allegation. And allegation is everywhere. What you are saying is also allegation. This is also allegation. Allegation means allegation. Wow. Whenever there is an allegation, it's the responsibility of the agency to investigate. There is zero investigation in that.
Okay, why is there zero investigation in Tomar's case? That's his pointed question.
Okay, now I'm not talking about allegations. He said allegations. I'm talking about facts now. I give you a bank account number 1022021100004647. Please, UCO Bank. Money was transferred, and which was again transferred to Goa for Aam Aadmi Party. I mean, I'm saying on record. I'm speaking on a channel. Now
Tomar,
let me
tell something about Tomar. Tomar son.
Sir, please, sir. आपको allegation की जगह मैं proof दे रहा हूँ ना जी. This is Sameer Mahindra's account, money transferred to Aam Aadmi Party's account. Details I'll send it to you. Okay, now coming to the another
तोमर
subject.
साहब का अकाउंट नंबर भी बता दीजिए.
मैं अभी सब दे रहा हूँ जी. अभी आपको नाम दे रहा हूँ. अशोक पटेल, किरण भाई पटेल, जगदीश शर्मा, अशोक चंदू भाई, then Devan Solanki, then Kirti Ambalal. These are all those who have transferred money on behest of Aam Aadmi Party for Goa elections, and they have.
And how do you know that for a fact?
Sir, Praful Patel, Naveen Jindal. There are multiple names that we have to.
Hold on. You have any evidence? Please go to court. I'm telling you.
Sir, we have evidence.
So please go to court.
जो electoral
Please
bonds
go
से
to
ज़्यादा
court.
बड़ा scam
Please
पूरे
go to court.
हिंदुस्तान में
Please
नहीं
go
हुआ
to
है.
court.
व्यापक
पहले
scam,
ये
gold
जो नाम
scam.
दे रहा हूँ उसकी बात
आपने तो
करो.
राम
ये जो
जन्मभूमि
नाम
का भी
दे रहा
scam
हूँ,
कर दिया है,
जिन्होंने
जिस पर
आपकी जेब में
multiple
पैसे
press
डाले,
conferences संजय
जिन्होंने
सिंह जी ने
आपकी
किए
जेब में पैसे डाले
हैं.
इलेक्शन लड़ने के
Scam
लिए,
proof
उनकी बात करो. मैं प्रूफ दे रहा हूँ.
जिस टाइम से पावर में आई है सिर्फ और सिर्फ scam
No,
हो
no,
रहे
give me
हैं,
let me give the
sir.
name.
क्या
Now
बात
give
कर
me the
रहे हैं?
amount number.
भारतीय जनता
Account.
पार्टी
अरे
तो
सुनिए ना,
scam कर दी
देवांग
है.
सोलंकी ने 7.1
भारतीय
करोड़,
झूठा पार्टी बन चुकी
कीर्ति
है.
अंबालाल 16 करोड़. नाम आपको डिटेल दे रहा हूँ. आप डिटेल मांग ली थी ना. नीलकंठ एजेंसी है, उन्होंने 7.5 करोड़. एक और एजेंसी अंबे, उन्होंने 2 करोड़.
विजय रूपानी का प्राइवेट जेट 191 करोड़. शिवराज सिंह का प्राइवेट जेट 65 करोड़.
Let me just come in.
एलजी का सिर्फ रेनोवेशन 12 करोड़ में होता है. एलजी का सिर्फ रेनोवेशन.
और ये प्रूफ ये मेरे नहीं है, ये कोर्ट के अंदर सबमिटेड प्रूफ है. If you have anything to challenge, please go and challenge this in the court. This is all I've been submitted to the court. With the statement of these people, yes, this happened on behalf of Aam Aadmi Party for Goa election.
Yeah, let me bring in Karan now. Karan, the question is this. The question is that Aam Aadmi Party got a huge relief when Kejriwal was released. But what has happened last week, are we seeing a pattern over here? Are we seeing a pattern in terms of what happened in the entire Swati Maliwal episode? Are we seeing a pattern with what has happened today? How do you view all of this? And is it just a coincidence? Because Aam Aadmi Party says this is all being done with a political intent to put them in the spotlight.
Madhav, this party, Aam Aadmi Party today has become the typical concealment party. They conceal their foreign funding. The court says, Delhi High Court says, by the way, that they conceal their proceeds of crime, and directly it is attributed to Arvind Kejriwal. They conceal the CCTV footage. This is what the 30,000 court has said today, that it corroborates what just happened there. So this is a party which has now resorted to concealment. पहले ही expose करते थे, आज they have so many skeletons in their cupboard that this has become the concealed party. You know, Madhav, it is very serious today that this party is in denial of everything. Let me read out what the Delhi High Court said. And they talk about ED. ED was able to place enough material which completes the chain and shows that money was sent to Goa elections. This is what the High Court has said on ED. Again, what the Delhi High Court said, I'm again quoting, the material shown by ED proves that Arvind Kejriwal is actively involved in the conspiracy and concealment of proceeds of crime, both as the Chief Minister and as the convener of the party. अब ये कोर्ट को भी नहीं मानेंगे. 30th October 2023, Supreme Court says a tentative money trail of 338 crores. They talk about money trails. Money trail of 338 crores is established and they denied bail to Manish Sisodia. ये चल क्या रहा है आम आदमी पार्टी के साथ? I mean, look at their confidence. ये रात को देख के कह सकते हैं इस समय दिन चल रहा है. आज ये वहां तक पहुंच गए. This is a party that is in denial and they'll be answered by the people. This time it's not just their test. It is the test of people.
I'd like to respond.
कि एक पार्टी है which doesn't clean Yamuna, which doesn't do anything. They do nothing. और आज ये चंदे में भी गलत करेंगे, ये फॉरेन फंडिंग भी लेंगे, ये अपने राज्यसभा एमपी के भी करेंगे बुरा हाल. उसके बाद they have the guts to go amongst people. I think people will give them a very resounding answer come 25th.
फॉरेन फंडिंग है, खालिस्तानी फंडिंग, ये भी इन्वेस्टिगेट होनी चाहिए.
Okay, Huda Zariwala, please respond to those pointed charges because it's not just the agencies but even the courts that have upheld several of those charges, what he's saying.
And yet ED has not been able to prove one single charge in 2 years. एक charge prove नहीं हुआ है. सर आप बताएं, अगर ऐसी बात हो,
Now you want me to tell you the detail of the account number.
Supreme Court has given interim bail to the sitting Chief Minister.
Every time
If he
said
was
this is
in
no way
fact,
a reflection of the merits of
our
the case.
court says innocent until proven guilty, sir.
Then they should give you
Innocent
bail.
until proven
Then they
guilty.
should give you bail.
PMLA is a
They should give you
draconian
bail.
law.
Why do
PMLA
they
में
reject your
आपको
bail?
burden of proof
Why do they reject your
unfortunately
bail?
accused पे
Why
होता
do they
है. I'm
reject
not
your
a lawyer,
bail?
but I'm
Why do they
kind
reject
of
your
law.
bail?
What the High
Why
Court
do they
said.
reject your bail?
आम
Why
आदमी
do the
पार्टी
bail of
संजय
Manish
सिंह
Sisodia
जी की
rejected?
बेल ईडी ने
Why
अपोज
did
नहीं
Manish
करी थी
Sisodia
सर.
bail
संजय
is
सिंह जी की
rejected?
बेल क्यों नहीं अपोज हुई थी? अगर वाकई में इनफैक्ट वो गुनहगार थे, बेल क्यों नहीं अपोज हुई? ईडी के पास कोई पॉइंट ही नहीं था। डॉक्टर सतेंद्र जी को कब से पकड़ा हुआ है? मनीष सिसोदिया को कब से पकड़ा हुआ है? सर, चार्ज प्रूफ करिए। ईडी आपके बिहेस्ट में काम करती है। ईडी आपकी का विंग है सर।
Very short response, Madhav. Just one second. Life is so easy when we can conveniently ignore facts as well as judgments of the courts. One court after the other is saying that there is enough evidence to link not only Manish Sisodia but also Arvind Kejriwal with the crime, and they are denying bail. You have the High Court order read out by my friend right now, and you still keep on shouting that there is nothing proved. Then what can one do? Because that's the fact, that's the law, that's the judgment. You don't want to follow judgment. A party which used to say on allegation people should resign in 2013, now after charge sheet, after 1 year in jail, does not believe people should resign. What can be a bigger travesty of justice and the spot we are standing
Double
today?
standards, Huda Zariwala. This is nothing but double standards. And also respond, because our crew which went to Aam Aadmi Party to just ask Durgesh Pathak, they were beaten up. What's going on in Aam Aadmi Party?
Okay, that is absolutely not something I or anybody should be endorsing. Being an ex-media person,
sir,
मुझे बोलने दीजिए.
Mr. Kejriwal, take an action against him. I'm asking you right now, till this moment, has
Let her respond. RBC, you can respond to her. 1 minute, yeah.
देखिए,
This is a serious issue, sir. I want a response from Huda Zariwala.
If a reporter or absolutely anybody is being heckled as a woman, as an ex-media person and a current media person too, I do not endorse that. For the record, stating it. But at the same time, the Swati Maliwal case is completely blown out of proportion. We gave her the due benefit of doubt when next day
You did a U-turn, madam. Sanjay Singh said that we will take appropriate action, and then you said it's all fake.
जब हमारे पास पूरे facts आए, what is the language he's using? Sala Taklu and all. That's not the language of a sitting Rajya Sabha women
Sala
MP.
Taklu बोल रहे तो पिटाई कर दो.
I mean, come
पिटाई
on.
कर, पीट दो.
कहाँ है sir? पीटने की sir उसमें कहाँ वीडियो है?
So that is what her allegations. Entire FIR is given details कि कैसे पीटा गया.
Sir, हिंदुस्तान
ने कैसे मारा. The entire detail is there in FIR.
विभव कुमार जी और स्वाति मालीवाल जी दोनों के इक्वल राइट्स है. अगर वो एलिगेशन एक्यूज कर रही हैं तो विभव कुमार
राइट्स इक्वल है, लॉ इक्वल है, लेकिन जब चीफ मिनिस्टर के घर में किसी महिला सांसद के साथ इस तरह का इंसिडेंट होता है,
and Aam Aadmi Party supporter थोड़ा चुल्लू पर पानी लेकर डूब मरो जाकर कहीं पे कहीं हो तो चुल्लू पर पानी में जाकर डूब मरो जाकर कहीं पे you are supporting Vivek Kumar, you are supporting Vivek Kumar, and you are speaking that you are fellow colleague in the voices of the CM चुल्लू पर पानी में जाकर डूब मरो कहीं
This is a very serious issue. And before I come across you,
चुल्लू पर पानी में जाकर डूब मरो जाकर
please calm down. I'm going to request everyone to calm down. One second. RBC, calm down. Huda Zariwala, please calm down.
ये महिलाओं का सम्मान हो रहा है.
One second. Please come in. Allow me to come in. Huda Zariwala, calm down. Please calm down. This cannot go on. This cannot go on. Why this is so important? Let me just go apart from our panelists and go to our reporter Akansha, who's sitting here. Akansha, tell our viewers what exactly happened when you went to the AAP office today. Quickly describe what happened.
Well, there was a complete gundagardi, hooliganism by the Aam Aadmi Party workers and their media coordinator Vikas Yogi. I remember last Monday it was Swati Maliwal who leveled assault allegation. This Monday, exactly a week later, it was me and my camera person who had to suffer. But I want to tell Aam Aadmi Party that we will continue to ask tough questions, pointed questions. Now, let me tell you what happened as we went inside the party headquarters. We were reporting on the story that Durgesh Pathak, his name had cropped up in a letter that ET wrote to MHA. Now, in that, it had came up that he siphoned out of foreign funds for his personal benefit. So we wanted to ask question to Durgesh Pathak, and that is when we went inside, and there Vikas Yogi came running to us and he started arguing with us. I told him we were going live with the story. He knew that I was live there, and that is the time his focus completely shifted towards my camera person. He first moved his the camera away from his own face. After that, they started pushing him outside the party headquarters, literally pushing him, two of them were in fact trying to find buttons from there where they can switch off the camera. When they could not, they pulled the wire, and they know that this is the only
and he got
way.
hurt as well.
And
So
then they hit that on his head.
they hit
This
out
is
on
what
him. So
happened.
this is what's happening, Kapil Vadan. And would you justify this kind? Please, 1 second, madam. You have taken the maximum airtime. Please allow others to speak now. Kapil Vadan, would you justify this kind of behavior? Do you think this is in any way civilized behavior for a political party?
Madhav, I condemned it. I mean, in no civil society this kind of a behavior is accepted. And I heard Singh Saab also. With the same intensity, I will condemn what Brij Bhushan did to your cameraman. He did the same thing.
Our reporter,
he did the
in fact,
same
our
thing.
reporter.
And when Singh Saab was asking question to Ms. Zariwala, is he forgetting what their own party colleague Brij Bhushan Singh, whose son is now contesting on BJP ticket, he did the worst.
Okay,
He did the worst.
Respond. And we've covered that. By the way, we have debated that extensively and covered Brij Bhushan extensively. Please respond, Mr. RP.
On your record, please go through your records file. We I in person have condemned what Brij Bhushan Singh did to Tejaswi.
What action did you
Give me a
took?
second, sir.
What action at a party level did you took?
Give me a second,
You
sir.
please
Hold
tell us.
on.
You respond.
Give me a second. Let me respond
The
back.
party rewarded
Sir,
his son.
Let me respond.
The party rewarded his son.
Let me respond. But have you ever heard that in the capital of the country, in the CM's residence, in his drawing room, a colleague is been beaten and a lady colleague of the Aam Aadmi Party is supporting person who has beaten her? I mean, it's shocking. I mean, I have never seen something like this. I mean, what can be more shocking than this? One, secondly, remember the first PCR call. The whole problem is the first PCR call. The PCR call which she made, she said, मैं CM residence पे हूँ, मेरे को उन्होंने मतलब केजरीवाल ने मेरे को उन्होंने अपने PA वैभव कुमार से बुरी तरह पिटवाया है. This is the call. Now, how can you change this?
Absolutely.
Delhi police के पास वो गई थी. Why did the police not take due cognizance of the matter? The constitution allows for
The
that.
police has to allow for the victim to file the complaint.
We all condemn this in a single voice. We all saying.
Yes.
CM
We all across
on Manipur violence. Why isn't Prime Minister Modi ji coming on the Prajwal
आप
Raman
थोड़ा
case?
कान से ऊंचा सुनती हैं. आपने पार्लियामेंट की प्रोसीडिंग नहीं देखी. आपने पार्लियामेंट की प्रोसीडिंग नहीं देखी. आपने बहन आप पार्लियामेंट की प्रोसीडिंग नहीं देखी.
मोदी जी को भी कंडेम करना चाहिए ना.
Just give me 10 seconds. Give me 10 seconds.
Okay, Mohammed
Sitting like a coward there.
We all
जब press
condemn.
conference होती है, he passes it to Akhilesh
Belonging
Yadav.
to different parties, we all condemning any type of act against media personnel. But BJP hasn't responded my previous question, which was regarding Tomar. Now let me ask my second question. Raghav Trivedi was beaten in Raebareli, brutally beaten. Why? Because he asked something in a Amit Shah rally to the person, and the person over there beaten him brutally. Now I want to ask BJP, do they really regret that and say that this should not be done to the media person?
Okay.
What has been done with Raghav?
Okay, okay, na. This should not happen. And action has been already initiated against all those who have done that, committed that. Also,
action?
one
Let
second.
me-
Give me a second now. Give me a second. I completed now. But now, can they?
Please tell me the action. What was the action? People who have beaten Raghav. I belong to the same place. But you are saying that action has been zero action. Belongs to the same place.
No, can they stand in support of Swati Maliwal or not? Answer very point blank.
Do you condemn Manipur violence that happened under your leadership? Do you condemn Brij Bhushan Saab?
Please allow others to also speak on your side. Please allow them. They
देश
have
में
not
हुआ नहीं,
spoken.
दुनिया में
Yes.
नहीं हुआ कि सीएम के रेजिडेंस में कैपिटल ऑफ द कंट्री के अंदर उसके ड्राइंग रूम में जाकर एक
आप लोग
महिला
स्टेज पे
आम आदमी
उनको
पार्टी
माला
की उनके
चढ़ाते
खुद की
हैं,
सांसद की
स्टेज
पिटाई
पे
करा दी गई.
Okay. Yeah. Ishwar.
Point. What are we discussing today? Corruption of Aam Aadmi Party pending in courts. A woman allegation by a lady MP who was a former chairperson of Women's Commission, Swati Maliwal. So what was Aam Aadmi Party in 2013 in these spots? A party which said against VIP culture, we have a Sheesh Mahal broken by towns now. A party against Lal Batti culture now jetting all over the country. A party against corruption allegation should make you resign. Now you have multiple ministers in jail. A party talking about women empowerment, Delhi ki beti, Bharat ki beti, and Swati Maliwal is not only making allegations of assault. You please read the FIR. I don't want to repeat the FIR on what she says happened to her shirt.
One minute.
named one issue of 2013
about Aam Aadmi
where they
Party.
stand
Zishan is also
on
speaking for the
2013.
I represent Aam Aadmi Party here. I'd like to speak.
जी मैं यही कह रहा हूँ कि देखिए सबसे खास बात क्या है, मणिपुर में निर्वस्त्र करके महिला को घुमाया जाता है, वीडियो वायरल हो जाता है, सारी देश की बेटियां शर्मसार हो जाती हैं, कोई रिस्पॉन्स नहीं आता, कोई रिस्पॉन्स नहीं आता। रेवेन्ना सैकड़ों महिलाओं का रेप करके वीडियो वायरल कर रहा है, प्रधानमंत्री सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, वोट भेजिएगा इन्हें, वोट दीजिएगा। जी
मणिपुर हमने एड नॉजिम डिबेट किया है,
मुझे बोलने तो दीजिए आप।
मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ आज जो हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, आज हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं नई दिल्ली के
देखिए बात निकलेगी माधव जी, बात निकलेगी तो बहुत दूर
आपको बोलने की पूरी आजादी है, लेकिन लेट अस ऑल्सो लुक एट द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ व्हाट वी आर डिबेटिंग राइट नाउ। ना हम स्वाति मालीवाल पे कोई जवाब है, ना आज की घटना पे कोई जवाब है, इन दोनों घटनाओं का जवाब दीजिए।
हमने सबने मिलकर निंदा कर दी है, भर्त्सना कर दी है, अगर ये हुआ है तो बहुत गलत है,
कोई कार्रवाई नहीं होनी चाहिए।
कार्रवाई भी होनी चाहिए, लेकिन कार्रवाई तो प्रधानमंत्री करें। जो रेवेन्ना ने वीडियो, जिस रेवेन्ना ने वीडियो बनाया महिलाओं का रेप कर करके, आप उसका वोट मांग रहे हैं। प्रधानमंत्री जो इस संसद की गरिमा है, वो रेप विक्टिम खड़ा है, उसके लिए वोट मांग रहे हैं। कोई जवाब है आप लोगों के पास इसका? दूसरी सबसे बड़ी बात ये, मणिपुर में निर्वस्त्र करके घुमाया गया, आज तक कोई उसके साथ कोई कुछ हुआ? ये क्या मतलब कोई छोटी घटना है सर?
ओके, आई एग्री।
Madhav, this is their apology. How they dealt with the journalists, how they've dealt with people, and how they are skirting the issue every time.
Please don't
As the CM made a statement,
We have all
carried him to Lucknow. Ma'am, please have some
One by
shame.
one, Huda Zariwala,
He
please don't
carried
interrupt
that
everybody.
goon Vibhav to Lucknow. He was along with him, escorting him. आपने उसको निकाला बाहर. Did Arvind Kejriwal make a statement and apologize?
उनके
How
खिलाफ
did they
कुछ
behave with the
साबित हुआ है?
journalists at times now?
Innocent
Is
until
this your
proven
apology?
guilty.
Innocent. ये innocent
जिसके खिलाफ साबित हो गया उसको
2013
मोदी जी ने
में
आज
used to
तक
ask
क्लीन
for
चिट दिए हुए
everyone's
हैं।
resignation. तब आपको
करण
innocent
जी,
till proven
जिसके
guilty
खिलाफ
नहीं आता था।
साबित हो गया उसको क्लीन चिट देके मोदी जी वोट मांग रहे हैं।
माधव, ये
बीजेपी जस्टिफाई कर रही है।
I am really waiting for a time when BJP actually talks about issues.
Please,
When BJP actually
everybody
talks
cannot
about
speak at the same
Shiksha,
time.
Swast.
Please allow me to conduct this debate, madam. What are you doing?
You have miserably failed in Shiksha and Swast, just so you know.
The only defense,
New York Times talks about it. UN talks about it.
One second. The only defense coming out for what has happened to Swati Maliwal by a PA of a sitting CM seems to be Manipur. I have been on Times Now. I have said it was despicable act. FIR is registered. All those criminals need to be punished. Would anybody say Vaibhav Kumar, the PA of the Chief Minister, Chief Minister's house it happened, should be punished, should be convicted by a court of law until punished? One second. And 1 second.
But if Swati Maliwal is wrong, will BJP condemn all of this
All right,
shenanigans?
we're completely out of time. We're
Against
completely out of time, ladies and
Aam Aadmi
gentlemen.
Party.
We have to wrap this debate. Tariq Khan, Zishan Haidar, Huda Zariwala, Kapil Madan, Karan Verma, Ishkaran Bhandari, and RP Singh. I'd like to thank all of you for joining us this evening. What will happen to the 7 seats of Delhi? We've tried to analyze that right here from Vijay Chowk, but certainly a series of political developments, some which have not just affected the citizens of Delhi, but have shocked the entire nation, that we've been seeing play out over the last week to 10 days. Certainly remains to be seen which way Delhiites vote, keeping all this in mind. Thanks so much for joining us.